Alright everybody, it is Friday morning. I've been busy all week, but it's time to get back on this generator project. I will admit I have cheated a little bit. I already put fuel in the engine because I couldn't quite get the valve open far enough for straight denatured alcohol. I have mixed my gasoline oil mix 50-50 with denatured alcohol, so this would be E50 on a 40-to-1 oil mix. And that means my needle adjustment is between 1/2 and 3/4, which is working out good here. So theoretically, because I just shut this off, should be able to give it a little turn and it should start up relatively easily. But of course I gave it 2 seconds to cool off while we talked, and well, and there went the belt. Let's see if I can get the belt on without losing a finger here. Alright. Put the belt on. Try to start it, see if the belt will stay put. Alright. I think that means I need a bit more. I was going to say, I just had it running while the camera was off because, of course, everything loves to work when nobody is looking. There. Here's hoping that was the spot that's going to keep the pulley or the belt on better. It's a rainy day out, so it's kind of dark since I rely on Okay, we might be at it for a load test here. We'll give this a few minutes to run and warm up, and then we'll start on a load test.